Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add shipping regions in Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Wix here, and then just like click settings. And when you're gonna be in settings, you're gonna see store shipping. Click on that, and here you would just want to click add region. Now here you want like add a distance, add region, and you have like Belarus, Belgium, Belize, whatever. And then you can simply click like, I don't know, free shipping, whatever. And then just like save. So now when you got it, that's pretty much it. And yeah, you can see it here. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.